Welcome to the Olympia Strawberry Festival.
The whole frame in the top, one deep frame in the bottom. There's 5 deep frames in the bottom. So what you do is you put the brood nest. Where your face painted?
Super fun event, quite a bit to do. No parking and not quite as many strawberries as I would like, but there was all kinds of other stuff to keep us entertained for a solid hour or two.
Why is it bumpy?
Speed of 466 miles per hour. Was taken down the east of the C-17, I'm sorry, the B-17, and the
out on the airfield, there's even less obstruction from the wind, so there's more of it. And then pilots like this can. Okay, Brian, I'm sold. How do I get to Brian?
So if you want to see more events in and around Lewis and Thurston County, you know what to do. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys next time.